don't have to look around very far these days to realize that the gun community is absolutely infatuated with polymer. Whether it's a polymer stocked rifle, whether it's a polymer handgun, people love polymer, and for good reason, right? I mean, you can get a high quality firearm these days at a pretty good cost, and the polymer is a big part of that. But in today's polymer laced world, it is really nice to be able to hold a functioning piece of art in your hands like the old cowboys used to hold, and that's exactly what this is. This is a Turnbull finished model 1892 Winchester Deluxe Takedown. That's a mouthful, but I did say takedown, and I'll get back to that in a minute. It's important to note. But you don't need to be the head cashier at Walmart to see what the pinnacle of this is. This is period correct. That's right, period correct. Color case hardening. You can see it here in the receiver, the hammer, the lever, the takedown collar, the fore end cap, all the way to the butt plate. Color case, period correct color case hardening. It is absolutely stunning, so much so that a fella has a hard time not holding onto the wood because you just don't want to touch it and put a fingerprint on it. And speaking of wood, to pair with that stunning metal work, if you know anything about Winchester firearms, you know that they're kind of known for that red hue in the woodwork. Well, that's exactly what Turnbull has added to this firearm. American walnut grade 5.6, and they've given it that classic red hue look to go on some excellent figuring along with a high gloss finish. From top to bottom, this firearm is a stunning work of art. It's a shootable stunning work of art, and like any period correct firearm, it's got to be chambered for something classic too. This one right here, 4440 Winchester. A stunning cartridge to go with a stunning gun, complete from Turnbull Restorations. So out of the gate, I promised you that this was a takedown gun, and it's important to note that a gun of this caliber functions as well as it looks, right? So you're thinking, well, takedown 4440, a little odd. The end of the forearm tube is a little lever. You pop that lever, unscrew this counterclockwise 5 or 6 times, open the action. Or otherwise you're gonna be fighting with that gun for a while. Open the action, that's loose, you can feel it's loose. Half twist and it's off. Full takedown gun. Goes back together just as simply, and you can feel it. That is the fit and finish of a Turnbull firearm. You can feel how stiff it is. It goes together hard. It's certainly not impossible. Tweak it tight, screw that back down. You can have the whole gun broken in half, put back together in a matter of seconds. Literally seconds. Just like she's supposed to run. So when you're talking about Turnbull firearms, there's an important distinction that needs to be made within their product offerings, right? So this is a Turnbull finished firearm. What that means is this is a brand new Winchester taken in by Turnbull, thrown on some magic sauce that only Turnbull can do, and this is the end result. Turnbull also manufactures and brands their own guns that you can build and buy through the Turnbull website. And on top of all that, if you've got a gun like this, a period correct gun, whether it's a long gun, maybe it's Grandpa's old 1911, you can send that firearm to Turnbull, have them do their magic on that gun, color case harden, whatever you want. They'll work it up for you and make that gun look brand new. Heck, they'll make it look better than brand new.